Hello and welcome to this new tutorial on VueJs series, and in this tutorial I'm continuing from the last video. In this video I'm going to show how VueJs project is constructed into folders and files. I'm going to go through each folder and tell you what it is. So let's start from the files we have here. We have package.json, which is a normal npm module file. In this file we have our project name, the version code, and the description, author, and if it is private module or it is public module, to publish the npm module to npm repository, but we are not going to publish it, so it's private. This is the script to run our server. When we hit npm run dev in last video, it started this script with node server engine. Then we have a dependency object here. We have view as a dependency, and then we have dev dependency, which is required only when we are developing our project. And this is the engine requirement, and this is the browser list array, which is, I don't know, I never used it. So this is the package.json file, and this is our main HTML file, which is the main landing point of our project. So this tag here is really important because in this div tag, which has the ID of app, every Vue.js code will be injected by JavaScript. So if you don't understand now, I will show you when I will run the project. So let me tell you about the build folder. We have the build.js and then all other file to build our project into browser version of our project. So these are actually node files which doesn't run in browser, so that's why we have these files to build our Vue.js project, which is a collection of some JavaScript and components and everything, and then these scripts we have in the build folder that converts those files which we have in src folder to something that can run on browsers. So if this doesn't make sense, this will, at the end of this video, I will explain it to you. Just follow it along. So we have the src folder in which we will be writing our Vue.js code. So Vue.js has this term called component. So component is not just a file in which we have three sections. First section is called template, second is the script, and third is the style. So the first section, which is template, in template we will be writing our HTML code only. Just note that you cannot write JavaScript code like you used to write in index.html or any HTML file before. You cannot use a script tag in here. This HTML tag only have the HTML codes. And if you have something JavaScript code which we want to run when you load this component, you can write it down here between this script tag, and you can write a style in this component. So as you can see, this is really easy. You don't have to create another CSS file, then include it in your page, and then you have to create another JS file and include it in your page. You just have to create a component, and then you have to write these three sections, and within these three sections you can write your codes. So Vue.js is really simple because of this structure. And you can use, as you can see, this is just plain HTML, but you can use any templating engine such as Jade, Pug, etc. Whatever you want to use. You just have to make some modification, maybe I guess this here, let me see, yeah, you can see the module rules. This is loader, and then here you have to create your own loader, or maybe if you are using SAS, then you can create a SAS loader here, but we are not going to do that in this video. So we pretty much everything we will be doing in this tutorial series, it will be this src folder, and this static folder will be for keeping our static content such as images, maybe fonts, etc. You can add your images to assets folder, or maybe some file you want to load in your page, but we are not going to use it, so just it's nothing. So in src folder we have components, and this is the main.js file which has these codes. So here the two lines import view from the view module which we installed from npm, and then this is in importing the app component here, which we have the app.view file. It is including in this main.js file, so that it can target this div which has the id of app in this main.js, which is right here. So this is just structure of VueJs project. This is really simple, isn't it? So this is it in this video, and in the next video I'm going to walk you through how can you create new component and modify it. Let's see in this video how can you just modify something in the component. So let's come to this hello component here, and we are going to delete all of these, and we are going to delete this interpolation and going to write hello YouTube. When I save, then you can see just when I pressed Ctrl S, and I'm going to open the Chrome. Let me open it. Okay, so let's see, just let me slide down the window a little. Okay, so as I'm changing here, if you are new to this live reloading thing, as I was hard time understanding this, so I'm going to explain it a little bit to someone who doesn't know it. So it is, if I edit something, hello viewers, maybe, okay, as soon as I press Ctrl S or save this file, the browser will reload automatically. See, this is because we are just using these scripts to run a server which includes a module called browser sync, which automatically loads this watch this file. If any file is changed or we edit some file, then it's going to reload this page we have here automatically. So this is something I was talking in the first video, like saving time to do these things manually. You have, like, you edited this, you go here and then save it, you refresh it. Sorry. So this is view is really amazing, and you will be agreeing to me when you just seeing the next videos I'm going to upload. So this is pretty much it in this video, and I hope you like this video. If you don't like anything about me, I'm just pretty much making videos, so just tell me, comment down below. I will just try myself to improve, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.